In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert data by custom Wix code. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard. This is where you manage the main settings and tools for your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains many of the site-wide options, so if you don't see what you need right away, that's completely normal. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the Custom Code option, then click on it. This area is specifically designed for adding code snippets to your site, which can be useful if you need to insert tracking scripts, custom integrations, or other types of external code. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before moving forward. From the Custom Code page, click Add Custom Code. This will open the area where you can enter your code snippet. Now paste in the code you want to use for your data insertion. Before doing this, it's always a good idea to double-check your code so you don't accidentally include any private or sensitive information. Make sure the snippet is complete and formatted correctly, because even a small mistake can affect how it runs on your site. Once the code has been pasted in, you can give it a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to add more than one custom code snippet over time. A simple, organized name can make future updates much easier. Next, choose which pages you want this custom code to apply to. This is important because you may want the code to run across your entire site, or only on specific pages where that data is needed. Selecting the right pages helps keep your site organized and can also prevent unnecessary code from loading in places where it isn't required. After that, choose where the code should be placed. Wix typically gives you options for where the code will load, and this can matter depending on what the code is meant to do. Be sure to select the placement that matches the instructions for your particular snippet. Once everything looks correct, you're done. Your custom code has been added to your Wix site. As a final tip, it's a good idea to test your site afterward to make sure the code is working as expected. That way you can confirm everything has been inserted properly and is running in the right location.